In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your dashboard with your team or clients. Understanding how to effectively share your dashboard is crucial as it facilitates collaboration, enhances communication, and ensures everyone is on the same page with real-time data insights. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your dashboard. This should be the platform or tool where all your data and insights are compiled. If you're new, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Understanding where each feature and button is can make your experience more streamlined and less stressful. Once you're comfortable, locate the Share button. This button is typically found in the top right corner of your screen. The Share function is crucial as it allows seamless distribution of information to your stakeholders. Now, you may find variations depending on the specific platform or software being used, but generally it's usually placed somewhere prominent to make it easy to find since you'll likely be using it often. Once you click the Share button, a link will be generated. This link is what you'll use to grant others access to your dashboard. It's a quick and efficient way to disseminate the data and insights you've compiled. Copy this link by clicking on the appropriate option, which is often labeled as copy link or a similar phrase, ensuring you've successfully captured the entire link to your clipboard without any issues. With the link safely copied, the next step is to send it to your team or clients. This could be done through various communication channels that you typically use, like email, instant messaging, or even a collaboration tool you have in place within your organization. Providing context in your message can also be highly beneficial. For instance, briefly stating what information is included in the dashboard or why it's being shared at this particular moment. This clarity can preemptively answer any questions they might have, ensuring a smoother and more productive collaboration. Remember, sharing dashboards frequently can keep everyone informed and foster a culture of transparency and accountability. It makes it easier to have data-driven discussions and decisions. Also, as a best practice, ensure that the people you're sharing the dashboard with have the necessary permissions to view or edit it, depending on what level of access is required for them to do their work effectively. And that's all there is to it. Following these steps will help you efficiently share vital information with your team or clients, keeping everyone aligned and informed. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification. See you in the next video.